The Spectrum Xumo remote uses infrared technology to control your TV's power, volume, and input functions. First, ensure your remote is paired with the Xumo box. This usually happens automatically when you power it on. Press and hold the setup button until the LED blinks twice. Enter the specific code for your TV brand using the number pad. You can find this code in the remote's manual or on Spectrum's website. For example, the code for Samsung TVs is often 0256. After entering the code, test the basic functions like power, volume up and down, and input to cycle through HDMI sources. If the code doesn't work, try the next one listed for your TV brand. Save the working code by pressing the Setup button again. For a streamlined approach, use the Spectrum app's Remote Setup Wizard, which offers video tutorials and QR code scanning to simplify code entry. This method has seen a 30% increase in adoption as of 2025. If you encounter issues programming your Xumo remote, try resetting it by holding the Setup button for 10 seconds. Ensure there are no obstructions blocking the IR signal between the remote and your TV. For older or 4K TVs, use the compatibility checker tool in the Spectrum app to identify potential issues and solutions. The Xumo remote also integrates with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing voice commands for programming and controlling your TV. This feature can reduce setup time by up to 50%. The Spectrum app provides advanced settings for reprogramming custom inputs. Keep your remote's firmware updated to maintain compatibility with newer TVs. Spectrum releases quarterly updates. Remember, the Xumo remote uses IR, requiring a direct line of sight. For app-centric programming, ensure your Spectrum app is up to date to leverage the Remote Setup Wizard effectively. If issues persist, consult Spectrum's official resources for detailed troubleshooting guides.